Hello everyone, today I have this high quality charger by LDNIO. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get the desktop fast charger, AC power cord, and the user guide. The LDNIO is a super fast, high quality 120 watt charger. On the front, it has an LED indicator, 2 USB-C ports, and 2 USB-A ports. On the back, it has the AC power connection. A single USB-C PD port is capable of reaching 100 watts, charging a 16-inch MacBook Pro in just 1.7 hours, which is 3 times faster than the original charger, without overheating. Two computers can also be quickly charged at the same time, such as this MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. It can reach 120 watts when charging 4 devices at the same time. So much power in a small package. This awesome device brings efficiency and organization to any desktop, eliminating the wire jungle and the need of having multiple chargers. So check it out.